Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this left to right transition in CapCut. So first, you just need to import at least 2 clips to CapCut and then make the second clip as overlay. Like this, and put it like this. Okay. Now click on the second clip and go to Mask. Then select Split. Now turn it to -90 degrees like this. And then click on the check icon or pull the line a bit like this to have a fade effect. Click on the check icon and adjust the first clip so that the face fits. Okay, so after this, split the first clip to where the overlay video starts. Okay, split here, and then after that, click on the first clip and add keyframes at the start and also the end. Now move the clip to the right on the second keyframe. Like this. Now go to Grabs and select the Ease In to. Okay, then adjust the position of the splitted clip to be the same as at the end of the previous clip. Okay, so put it like this. Okay, now it's the same. Now go to Mask and select Split. Okay, rotate again at -90 degrees. And pull the arrow a bit. Okay, click on the check icon. Then put keyframes at the start and also the end. Like this. At the second keyframe, move the clip to the left and to the center. Like this. Okay, and now go to Grabs and select the Ease In to. Okay, now click on the overlay video and add keyframes at the start. So I'm going to trim the video first to be the same as the first clip. Add keyframes at the start and end. Now at the end, move the clip to the center like this, and go to Grab and select Ease In to. Okay, now at the first keyframe, move the clip out of frame. Okay, so now it's done and here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.